Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, feel at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Leave a sweet comment down below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today guys, we are gonna wash this fridge. It's so messy. I did some groceries and I wanna put them in here and the fridge doesn't look nice. I'm in the village and in our village there's always shortage of power. The power can go off for like 1 week or two. But today we're gonna clean this fridge. You can see how messy it looks. It doesn't look nice at all. So I'm just showing you how it looks like before we start cleaning it. Guys, even this sink here also looks so bad. We're also going to wash this sink. Now you want to make sure you stick around till the end of this video so you can see how this fridge is gonna look like after cleaning it. Now I'm going to start washing the compartments from the fridge. I'm going to use this soapy water, the one in a red basin, to wash them and then rinse them on the one in the blue basin. And for the third time, I'm going to rinse them using running water. Here in the village, we get water from the rain. The rain falls on the rooftop, and then from the rooftop to a tank that I forgot to show you, and then we pick the water from this tap here. And that is how we survive in the African village. Now I'm just washing them, and I'm going to now show you after washing them. I'm going to show you how I will be rinsing them.